bottom line, Greece. We wake up today, we see headlines about it. They couldn't build another coalition government, more elections or a runoff or something next month. And people saying maybe Mario Draghi will have to delay or bring forward quantitative easing. How much of a concern is it still that Europe remains somewhat unresolved?
Well, I think Greece isn't as big a problem as people might be putting it out to be. Draghi will come back to the table. They'll have to regroup a bit on their deal. But, you know, as far as it goes with Greece, they're their own wild card. Unfortunately, the government and their own people are divided, and they need to quit using their own people as a whipping post. I think that, if they can encourage their people to come to the table and work together, they could do great things. But the contagion was removed when they did the original deal in the euro. But they are going to come back to the table. But I don't think Greece is a hindrance at all. It certainly is not a hindrance to the U.S. of A. I completely agree with Larry Kudlow. We are going to rock it next year. I'm calling Dow 20,000. I'm in the Jeremy Siegel camp.
Wow.
I think we're doing great things. Oil was the greatest gift from Santa on two notes. First of all, the low oil is putting a ton of money in consumers' pockets. We're going to see that in next quarter's numbers. Plus, if you're an investor, you can really snap up some nice energy investments right now and prosper
next year. So what do you, and I want to get Dr. Jay in here as well. Hang on, Larry, 1 second.
Oil is a gift
Matthew,
to business.
Tell us what you're buying.
Business tax cuts. It's a tax cut for business.
How are you investing in 2015? I mean, do you just buy American companies writ large? Do you see opportunistic investments? Are you staying away from energy investments here?
2015, you want to be in U.S. domiciled companies. Next year, like Larry said, we are the train, we're the locomotive, and we're going to do some incredible things next year.
All right.
And I think you're going to see small businesses finally blow the socks off of the economy. Now remember, in the spending bill, the Dodd-Frank Act is loosening up some of the financial regulations. That's going to be another big help. But the interest rate rise, whether it's a quarter point or a bit more, is just going to show that we're ready to do some good things.